guys, welcome back to the channel. We have a huge surprise for you. David and I just bought a house and we are super excited about it. So as you can see, our dining room is a little bit small. So we have just ordered the transformer table, which goes from 2 to 12 people. And we're gonna set it up and show you guys how it looks. So the table and the bench both come already assembled, which is amazing. The coffee table is the only thing you have to put together. So comes with instructions, we're gonna give it a try. Feels nice?
Yeah.
Sweet. Transformer Table is an innovative company producing practical, multifunctional furniture designed and manufactured here in Canada. We reached out to them after doing a ton of research into kitchen tables and asked if they would send us a table so we could provide our honest review with you. We do have a discount code that gives you $100 off any order with Transformer Table. You can use the code EXPLORE100. We will link it below. The Transformer Table comes in 7 different colors with options to suit every style. They have also got a new round dining set, which looks really cool. The wood we love. We got the Scandinavian oak and it matches really well with our house. Both the table and the bench have 5 panels, extending from 1.5 feet to almost 10 feet long. These tables are made of solid wood and the sliding mechanism is made of titanium, which comes with a lifetime warranty. All of the leaves from the table and the bench clip together from below, making them super sturdy. Okay, this is really cool, guys. We just finished putting the coffee table together. So the lid just pops up, and then these are all of the leaves for the table. So when you're not using them, you can just put them in your coffee table. After testing this table out for the past 2 weeks, here are some of our favorite things about it. First and foremost, it's beautiful. Everyone who walks into our home is immediately drawn to and complimenting our new table. Although the table is heavy to lift, the mechanism makes it super easy to extend. I can even do it on my own. Here's a tip: we added felt furniture pads onto all of the legs to protect our floor and make sliding it even easier. The Transformer Table is incredibly durable and supports up to 750 pounds. It is also scratch, water, and heat resistant. And it's super easy to clean. We have put this to the test over the past few weeks and can confirm that it holds up very well with mugs, hot plates, cold glasses, and even stood the test of having all of our nieces and nephews over. The bench can hold up to 1,500 pounds and offers super versatile seating options. From the table, you could even bring it over around the coffee table if you needed more seats. And we are obsessed with the coffee table and love how the top pops up while allowing you to keep things on top of the table. I frequently use it as a desk while I'm working from the couch during the day. Plus, they offer free shipping to over 35 countries, which is huge because these tables are heavy. So that is actually the only con that we can think of with this table is the weight of it. It's really easy to slide it out and move it around kind of short distances by yourself in your living room. But if you were moving it to a different home or something like that, it's quite heavy and you would definitely need at least 2 people to move it. That wraps up this video. Thank you so much for watching. We would love to hear what you think of the Transformer Table. Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to use that discount code EXPLORE100 for $100 off your order. Make sure to like this video if you liked it and subscribe to the channel, and we will see you next week.